Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, today the 24th of June, it's Friday, and welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. We will continue to track the currency of Euro Union, but today we'll start directly from the 4-hour chart, because on the daily time frame there's nothing really new. Well, market has reestablished the move to the downside and has held the trend on the bearish side. But due to some events that has happened in the Euro Union, now market has shifted into the strong retracement to the upside. Well, although we see that weekly trend is bearish, daily trend is bearish, and 4-hour trend is currently also bearish because price is below the red line. This is the MACD predictor indicator by Judd Napoli. Well, you can see that this move is solid to the upside. Just above the market has erased the threat resistance from that swing down, okay, and now approaches to the weekly pivot point from the other side. 142.57 is weekly pivot point for the coming week. Well, one of the potential of the current move could be the butterfly buy. This is just an assumption. It's not some 100% probability pattern. Okay, it's just, but that could appear. But when the market will stop right here, or it will show some deeper retracement, or even continue to the upside, who knows? It's now difficult to say currently. Well, but the more common for the butterflies is the retracements to the 786 resistance, so somewhere in that area around 143.30. In the terms of the future scores on the spot market, I suppose this will be around 143.70, so right here. Okay, also take a look. This is important moment that trend will remain bearish till that area, till the 618 resistance from the recent swing down. Well, how deep this retracement could be, it's now very difficult to say, because that retracement is not just technical issue. This is the result of the vaulting on the escaping of Greece default. So this move to the upside is not the technical rather, but the fundamental, to take the fundamental character. So that's why it's very unnatural, as you can see on the hourly chart later. So for how we could act, in general we have the bearish buys, that's obvious. So we need some confirmation from the market that market has decided to continue move to the downside, has decided to hold the bearish buys and will not shift the momentum to the upside. Now let's take a look at the hourly chart. I think that this could help us. Here you can see that unnatural move to the upside, because this is the V-bottom shape. This is very uncommon for the markets. Very often, and as a rule, market usually shows the W bottom, because this is more stable pattern than the just V-bottom. And this confirms, the V-bottom shape confirms that's not by technical issue, but the fundamental decision, and that's why Euro has jumped out just from the 141 area. You can see that trend has turned to the bullish side. It's nice angle, good penetration, so currently our trend is bullish. It tells us that market is ready to the deeper retracement to the upside, because hourly trend is bullish and daily trend is bearish. We should wait for the deeper retracement. And probably today is the best decision is just to sit on the hand and stand flat, because this jump out has just started. Okay, today's Friday, so to make some active movements on the market, open some positions at the eve of the weekend after this strong fundamental decision, it's not a very good idea, especially because this is some contradiction. The hourly chart tells us that market is ready for the deeper retracement, while the daily time frame says that the overall bias is still bearish. We need some confirmation on the hourly chart that market has decided to continue move to the downside. Well, and it's hardly to be seen today because it's not enough time for market, I suppose, just to reach some targets and turn to the downside. Already, who knows, maybe that has happened. Well, one of the possible scenarios how we could act is to wait when the market will reach some strong area of resistance first. This could be, first of all, 142.87, that is 618. As you remember, the 4-hour trend also will remain bearish just till that area. Or maybe it could be the 786, I suppose this could be somewhere like here, around 143.30, as I said. This will be the 786 resistance. After that, if market will turn down and will shift hourly trend to bearish, we'll see some maybe reversal patterns or something. This could give us some confidence that probably this butterfly is starting to realize on the market. Okay, preferable to see some reversal patterns in that area. That will be perfect. So when the market will returns back and move to below the weekly pivot point with the bearish trend, that will be our potential to enter on the short side of the market on shallow retracement. Before that will happen, before market will shift the trend to the bearish and move again below the weekly pivot point, I'm telling about the current trading session. Well, I will not do anything because due to some reasons that I have just told you. Well, probably today it's time to take the rest and do not just jump in the volcano, okay? Because who knows what will happen and how market during the opens on the New York session, the Euro session, how market will behave after that decision. So it's in Friday and before the weekend. It's not very attractive to me to jump in just this kind of positions and to actively do something. That I think that's not a very good decision today. Well, still, I just share with you what probably will give us some confidence for entering on the short side of the market. I think that the market will hit some strong area of resistance and move below the weekly pivot point and shifting trend to the bearish, well, probably we could try to take the short position, but personally I prefer to wait on during the Monday and to take the additional look on the longer time frame, on the monthly and weekly time frame at the close of this week during the weekend to make the decision and to make the trading plan for the coming week. That's my current situation, but choice is up to you. Well, probably destiny prefer the Braves, so probably you will be succeed today. Maybe if market will show some reversal and you will be able to make some profit.